today?
The broken ornament.
Good job.
Jack wanted to be the best Christmas ever. I wanted more decoration, he said. Santa will see our house first. His father chuckled. You definitely got that Christmas spirit.
Good job.
Yesterday wasn't Christmas?
No.
When was it Christmas?
I mean, it's going to be Christmas in like 6 months from now.
Yay!
So you wanted to pick a Christmas book, huh?
Yes, we have to get this and this and this. We have to get Christmas pajamas. Cause I forgot where's my present. Did I do this? Do I still have my Christmas pajamas, or did you just throw it out?
I throw out everything, huh?
But it wasn't enough. Something was missing for Jack. Let's get a bigger treat. This tree's just fine, replied his mother. Santa needs another move to leave us more presents, said Jack. It's Christmas Eve. It was Christmas Eve and the house was decorated. The cookie was baked and the tree had been trimmed and Jack's felt was missing. He ran into the wormhole in the dusty box. Yuck! I found more ornaments. Farley sighed. Zeke finished decorating. Jack opened the box and nested inside. Not that one, his mother said. But Jack didn't listen. He dropped it.
Oh my God.
He has to listen to his mother. Now it's dropped. Jack is not going to get no presents.
Oh no.
If he's a bad boy, he won't get no present. But if he's a good boy, he will get presents. But he's a bad boy because he broke the ornament, so he's not going to get no presents.
Oh no.
The ornament hit on the floor, shattering into many gritty pieces. Jack is miserable. Look what you've done. It's a chunky old ornament, Jack replied. We will get another one. No, we can't, his mother said as she went upstairs. His friend grabbed a box of treasures and followed her.
Oh no.
Jack nettled down a special charm. It was only an accident, he muttered. He swore that it was Frost's tiny figure form, a sort of shimmering of roasted in strange figure form. Are you my fairy godmother? Jack asked, a bubbly voice cried. Godmother? Oh no, I don't trust me with a wand. Call me to it, so do you have great wishes? Jack turned in her clothes. What's that you wish for? Tuttle pressed a smile curls in the curl on her mouth with a candy can. I want the best Christmas ever. Then these horns tossed a handful of glitter into her hair. Each flex of a big fluffy flake of snow. He stuck a thread, shook a spring of whistle, and its pupils dropped to the floor and from each berry. An Eskimo's Christmas tree buzzed through the floorboards.
Whoa.
What?
A lot of trees.
It tripped so tired tiki bells. The front door flew open and a trail of a hair thin of reindeer and Amie doing nutcrackers. And around the breakfast room, more, Jack cheered.
He's having fun with this.
having fun with what?
All this stuff.
Is Merry Christmas enough? Think so, Axton? Jack's house is Christmasy and the whole town, probably even the whole world. But somehow something was still missing. A shiny fragment caught Jack's eye. Think so? Can you get Mom a new shiny fragment caught in Jack's eye? Think so? Can you get my mom a new ornament? That is not an ornament. No one can do things so. Why? I can give you every ornament in the pole, but I won't present the one you broke. Right now, Jack asked. The tickets are from her and their gingerbread house, and it began to grow and visit and take a sugar plum. Jack put the frosty frame to see a yellow girl hanging the ornament that's broken. When she was young, her mother's favorite holiday tradition was trimming the tree with her grandma. Said things go. Jack would hear the great grandma's voice in the house. I had these since I was your age. Handed a box of ornaments. Now there were no ornaments.
Yeah, so the grandma gave all these ornaments to his mom when she was young.
That great grandma ornament and broke it. Jack said all the things the fairy had brought. Somehow it's too much and not enough. I want this to be the best Christmas ever, but now it's the worst. Can you fix it, Teen Skull? There's only one person that has Christmas magic, replied Teen Skull. Santa asked Jack. No, you. Teen Skull wagged his nose. You say, reindeer. Like a wash in the north wind and idea and washed into Jack's head, and he grabbed a pretzel. Paper was set off to work.
What do you think he's gonna do?
Give her another thing?
Maybe. Let's see.
Jack heard his parents' foot. Jack heard his parents on the footsteps on the stairs. A blink of an eye on the Teen Skull wonder melted away in the blink of his eye. Time for bed, Jack said. His voice was soft. Santa will be here soon. Wait, I have something for you, Jack said. I'm sorry I broke the ornament. Mother opened her gift. Oh, Jack, what's this? It's your grandma's giving the ornament. Jack mother looked closely. But how did you know? Christmas magic had said with a shrug. Oh, Jack, I love it. My husband held the ornament on top of the tree. Jack's heart still felt so big that no amount of wrapping the paper it could have. Finally, it's the best Christmas ever.
Very nice. Wow.
Santa's coming for Sophia, who broke her ornament off Papa.
That's very nice. So how do you like the book?
Good.
Look at the camera. So how do you like the book?
Good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what are you going to tell them?
Click the like button and see more videos.
Bye.
Bye.